How to enable PlayStation Parental Controls. To enable PlayStation's parental control, you first of all have to select the settings icon from the home on your PlayStation, which is located on the top right corner. Then select the Family and Parental Controls option. Now you simply have to then click PS5 Console Restrictions. Then enter the default system code, which is 000. For zeros, then select the Change Console Restrictions passcode option and set a new secure 4-digit code to prevent children from bypassing your rules. Now you simply have to set a global restrictions, select the user creation and guest logins and change it to don't allow to stop kids from making new profiles without your code. Select the parental control for new users to set default age limits for any guest playing on the machine. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.